What's the meaning of applet? Applet. Applet.
Applet. Applet. An applet is a small software application that runs within a larger program or system. It is often designed to perform a specific task or provide a particular function, such as running a calculator or displaying a calendar. Unlike full-scale applications, applets are typically lightweight and quick to load, making them ideal for use in web browsers or other limited environments. They are often used to enhance the functionality of websites or to provide additional features for mobile devices. Overall, applets are a versatile and useful tool for developers looking to add extra functionality to their applications or systems.